You can hear them pops. Woo! What is that? Damn, what is that? I gotta go get it. Oh, it's a 4 Series. I think it's a 430. Hey yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'll just be telling you guys like 5 things, or I don't know if it's gonna be 5 or like more than 5, but just some things I like about my car. So, you know, maybe more than 5. I think I can definitely think of 5 things I like. So I'm not gonna be listing some lame things like, oh, I like heated seats or speakers, you know. So I'm actually gonna tell you guys things like, you know, things I'm like gonna like my exhaust and all that. So yeah, so the first thing I'd say I like is my exhaust. Well, not really the exhaust, it's just the way the car sounds. You know, right now it's stock. I didn't do anything to my exhaust yet, you know, completely stock, so it's still really quiet, but I just love the way the shifts sound. You know, I'm gonna do some little pulls for you guys too. You know, my drivetrain light might come up because if you guys watch my previous videos, you know the problem with that thing. But yeah, I'll still give you guys some little pulls and whatnot. But yeah, that's one thing I really like. I just love the way the car sounds, like compared to my last car, the Lexus. But there's a nice Lexus in front of me too. It's pretty loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll roll my windows down a little bit. Sounds pretty good. Sounds exactly like mine, like my old one did. But yeah, like I was saying, the Lexus, that sounded pretty nice because I did the exhaust, but like the shifts were just like, you know, it didn't really sound like, you know, that sound I'm talking about. Like it just goes like boom, like that sound. I love that sound when the car shifts, and the Lexus didn't do that. I'm pretty sure, like as far as I've seen, like it's mostly German cars that do it. I'm pretty sure other cars do it as well, but it's way more popular in like German cars. And yeah, so that's one thing I really like. That's something I love. It just sounds so aggressive when it shifts. And right now it's completely stock, so imagine when I actually like tune the car, you know, get like a transmission tune, like delete my mufflers, it's gonna be crazy. But yeah, and another thing I really like about the car, and you know, this is kind of an obvious fact, but I love the speed. You know, this car really pulls. You know, I'm gonna throw it in M Sport, not M Sport, I'm gonna throw it in Sport Plus soon for you guys. But yeah, I love the way the car pulls. Like it's not a million times faster than the Lexus. It is faster, I can tell, and it's not tuned or anything, but you know, the car really takes off. Like, you know, it just, you know that adrenaline rush you get when you floor it, like, you know, that never gets old. I really love the speed of the car. I have a 335, by the way, so you know, people like the 320s or 328s, it's obviously not going to be as fast, but I'm pretty sure it's still fun to drive. But yeah, I love the way the car pulls. As I said, like not a crazy difference like from the Lexus, but you know, after I tune it and all that, then it's gonna be way faster. Back to the exhaust, you know, I like the burbles. Like the Lexus just didn't have burbles like that. You know, the Lexus popped, and it only popped because pretty much straight piped it, other than I had a resonator on it as well. The Lexus, it just popped like one pop, and it sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's barely anything. But you know, I fucking love the way the BMW pops, like the burbles, the popcorn, like the like I love that so much. So that's really why I didn't want to keep the Lexus or mod it anymore, because I didn't like the way the shifts sounded. Like the shifts were just normal. You know, I like the sound of the car, but I just prefer how the BMW shift. And I like the burbles way more. You could tune the Lexus for it to be like gunshots, but you know, I just prefer the BMW burbles. And the way this car like just like that thing is just it's fucking crazy. That's one of my favorite things. Like when I love putting in Sport Plus to just, you know, just gas it and you like that thing is fucking nice. Another thing I could say I really like is just owning a BMW. You know, when you own a BMW, it just gives you a different feeling from like, you know, from like different, like, because I like BMWs, of course. If you don't like it, then you're not gonna get the feeling. But if you're a BMW person and you own one, you just know that it just gives you that feeling. Like you just feel so nice driving it. You know, you feel like, you know, like you just feel classy driving it, you know, because it's a Beamer. You know, you're driving a Beamer. So that's just, you know, that I just love that about it. You know, like if you're driving, like a lot of times you're driving, people are gonna be looking at you like to see who drives that car because it's a BMW. You know, obviously right now mine is stock. I still get some people looking, especially if I'm in like Sport Plus when it's like popping and all that. But you know, right now my car just looks normal, so I'm not turning that many heads, but it still does something, you know. And you know, as car guys, obviously we're not doing it for only like attention, or like, let me speak for myself. I'm not doing it for like only attention, like owning a BMW for the attention or whatever. But you know, it's always so nice when you're driving your car and people are looking at it, or people like say, oh, what you drive? And you say, oh, like I drive a BMW, and you're there like, damn, you drive a BMW. You know, it's just a nice feeling. You know, obviously I like the car. For me, I like the car because I like the car. But like the fact that others like the car as well and be like, damn, you drive a BMW, you know, that always makes you feel so nice. So that's another thing I love about it. You know, just saying you drive a Beamer, that's just, you know, that's a fucking nice feeling. I'm trying to think of something else, like another cool feature. Oh, my car, I don't know, this isn't going to be for like everyone because it's very rare to find them. I don't know, I just find that it's rare to find rear wheel drive BMWs, because this one came as rear wheel drive. You know, it's not X-Drive, or it's not like you know, like the M340iZ, you can make it rear wheel drive or all wheel drive. Like this one comes as rear wheel drive. You know, most of the BMWs I see, let me put this in M Sport. I always say M Sport, in Sport Plus. But yeah, probably do the paddles as well. Whew. But yeah, like I was saying, my drivetrain light may come on though. I probably shouldn't even be doing this, but you know, I'm just gonna give you guys some pulls, because why not? But yeah, like, let me roll my windows down. You guys can hear the pops too. I'm not sure how good you guys are gonna hear it. You can hear it a little bit. But yeah, what was I saying before? I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh, look at this Audi. This Audi is crazy nice. I think it's like a RS5 or something. Whew, you can hear them pops. Oh yeah, so good I did that pull, because now I remember another thing I love. I love the way the turbo sound. There's a guy behind me. That shit's fucking nice. You guys hear the shifts, like it's just like boom, boom. Like I love that. That's one of my favorite things. And then right after, you just have all these burbles just coming in. That's just fucking fun. I can't wait to mod this car. Damn. But yeah, another thing I love the turbo sound. Like, you guys can really hear the turbo winding up. Like, that shit's crazy. Jeez. Hey, the car's pulling nice. It's fucking pulling like crazy. I'm surprised the drivetrain thing didn't come up yet. But yeah, I love the turbo noises. I was saying something else. What is that? Damn, what is that? I gotta go get it. Oh, it's a 4 Series. I think it's a 430. Jeez, just listen to I love the shift so much, like it never gets old. Like I just fucking love the sound of the car. Like I cannot wait to do my exhaust and all that. I think this in front of me is a 430 though. Thought it was an M4 for a second, but nah, I think this is just a 430. Probably a 440i. I don't know. Let me see. He's turning though, so I'll get a better look at it. Look at it. Yeah, that's nice though. It's Nardo gray. I love that color too. I fucking love the car, you know, it's crazy fun. Listen to the pops, damn, it's way warmer now. Because when the car is warm, the pops are way better. It's sounding pretty good now. I feel like because I'm driving in Sport Plus now, it warms up even more. Jeez. Damn, that fucking pops is crazy. Nah, that's nasty. Damn, I hope there's no cops in this place, because I want to do a little pull. Imagine the burbles after I tune it. Damn, that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, I want to give you guys a little pull, like, because this area is more quiet. I want to give you guys a little pull so you can hear the pops and the shifts. But yeah, for a stock car, it's fucking fun. Probably here. Jeez, that shit's crazy. Damn. It's nice. But yeah, I think I was saying something about the rear wheel drive. But yeah, my car actually comes rear wheel drive. You know, most BMWs I see, they come as X-Drive. That's obviously like all wheel drive. So the fact that mine is rear wheel drive, I love that about my car so much. That's why I kind of got this one over all the other ones I saw. Because I'm like, damn, a rear wheel drive car. And I love the Lexus so much because the Lexus was rear wheel drive. Same thing with the Lexus. Most people's are like all wheel drive. But my IS350, I think only like the 06 ones. Jeez. I think only like the 06 ones were rear wheel drive. You know, same with this car. It's rear wheel drive. Fucking love it. You know, I'm very excited for it. Just listen to that, bro. Looks like that could be a little pull. Damn, I'm a crazy one. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll make another video soon, another POV, you know, because you guys like those. So, you know, I'll make another POV soon, but that's about it for this video. You know, nothing crazy, nothing too much, you know, just a fun little video. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoy the video. You know, leave a comment or whatever you guys think, like if you like these kind of videos, if you want to see more or whatever videos you guys want to see. But yeah, that's about it. Catch you all in the next one. Peace.